So I feel pretty bad that I didn't eat any of the cuy when we were in the cuy territory. And this isn't even close, but at least I have some of this stuff for you guys to see. Got ourselves, well, first we've got something with tentacles. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks pretty good. Try that first. Tastes like chicken. And I love deep fried food. And here we've got some deep fried minnows. I just found out from the waiter you can eat the head. Tastes like fried chicken. Good thing I got two, because one's just not enough.